It's important as a property investor or a developer that you understand that utility quotes could take up to 4 weeks to be produced and delivered. That being the case, please ensure that you build 4 weeks at the start of your project to pull your utility costs together so that you understand how much things are going to cost and what your responsibilities are within that process. From making payment to a utility company, there is generally a 6 to 8 week lead time for mobilisation. That 6 to 8 week lead time needs to be put into your build programme so that you understand where your preparation work needs to take place before the utility companies arrive. On a site like this, you can see the driveway behind me. That driveway is the only way in and out of this site. So that 6 to 8 week lead time is absolutely critical for you to plan. Any deliveries won't be able to be made. You won't be able to get vehicles in and out of the site while the excavation's open at the boundary. Another important factor when considering programme dates is your completion date. That takes us back to getting quotes on time and making payments on time to enable the planning process to deliver against your programme.